let's just go like this. I think it's okay actually. I was just about to say about 30 seconds to go, and oh my god, 1 second. Absolutely cannot take phone calls at the market open. I mean, it's the one absolutely most stupid time to take a phone call, but when the phone calls, you answer it, right? Right, so there was a pending order above, not filled, and we retrace into the gap. Gap has recently been formed. So we have retrace 1 and retrace 2 here, if it becomes something. I was about to say, let's see if this becomes anything. Come on. Right, this is not good enough for retrace. How about this? Not good enough. Not good enough for pin bar. We got about a minute. Okay, so I was about to say, on the day, this is a box. This is like highlighting the gap. This is the level. We want this level, and then if we take this, well, it's goodbye time. Then, like on the hour, there's really nothing interesting, and on the 15, there's really nothing interesting either. So we're at this level, right? Look, and we go. But we want a good, I mean, together on a 2 minutes, it's probably a good fill. Here, no. And also here, no. So we gotta do it just like this. Just trying to see it. A lot of thick bars here. Retrace and this together. If we close above the entire bar, I'll say it's an engulfing. Okay, we are wrong. Okay. Not there. We need to now find the targets. Not there, not there. Just gonna place it there for now. and also second. 1, 2, and maybe 3 here. This should be strong. If Morningstar. It's a bit too much stress for me. Yeah. There we are. And we need targets for this one. Of course we don't have it. Well, I'm just gonna do arbitrary, like kinda 2 or something for now. Not really sure if we have this chart set up. We have this. We need to set this up actually. Oh, I don't like doing that. Oh man. Value delta POC volume, not POC delta minimum delta 40. Let's see. Oh, we must have to make it thicker as well because I can't see anything. Right. There we are. Now I got them. Right. Oh, yeah, that's some selling. I did check the news. We shouldn't really have any news pending, but you see, market is moving a lot. Yeah. Really took those lows there. Wow. That's not good at all. Yeah. It's toast. It's toast, man. I was creating the charts again, and that's why I didn't have this setting there. I do have the same thing on another screen over there, but yeah. See what they want. Quite a bit fast start. Been seeing all the week, like a lot of like volume showing up like 5 minutes before open or so. It's interesting. I remember like maybe 6 months ago, didn't really see that. Right. And they buy again. Wow. That's a roller coaster. Right, I'm just gonna check the delta on this screen. 260, that's fine. I'm gonna lower it a bit because I don't see any delta at the open, so I think maybe it's a bit, yeah, it's a bit high maybe. Yeah, looks like they switched pattern here, but I don't know. I entered on retrace and engulfing really high, but yeah. Also here, notice they try to switch it up with gap down at the highs. But I mean, I'm sitting here. I don't have a reason to do anything else right now. If we get here, with a gap. Actually, if we get here again with any spike, I need to move the stop. Same with this, if we get here with a spike, I need to move the stop. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. Yeah. Checking the time. Moving the stop. Wow. Moving the stop again. There's a small gap there. No gap to the upside. Wow, I wonder what happened there. I have now on the same screen actually this thing. Okay. Price is going up apparently. Gap there, and if we close higher, we have a higher close. We have a gap, so we can trade it. We did. Okay, it's fine. It's correct. Any exhaustion there? No. There. This is Harami, and it should be hollow if it's a retrace. Same with this one. It's a bit indecisive right now. But yeah. Wow. It's really some fire going today. I'm not really sure what's up. Bigger spikes up there. Look at these levels. I mean, we are above. Like, look at this. We need to go above. So this is the 15 on M&Q. Looks way more convincing if you ask me. Yeah. But and if we go here, I mean, I did buy it quite high, but hey man, those are the rules, right? We went into with a spike there. Just a buy stop. We'll see if we get something. Pin or spinning top. Yeah. We'll see if we get anything. About 30 seconds for this. Here, nothing. If we go even further, I would like to lock this down. But we'll see what my rules say, actually. Nothing, but similar pattern after. I'm going to give it 1 more minute on the MES. Here we have up and we have a gap forming. Right, so we touch with this, then we have a higher close. So I think this is the level we protect later. If we do that, I'm going to highlight this. We'll see in a few. Looks like the MES doesn't want to go. Should be rejecting this as well. Wow. Like I said, should be rejecting. Create a gap. Gap on M&Q. Yes. Moving it up. A lot less now. Okay. We have 2 attempts at the MES, and so far no go. I'm removing it. Actually, this is the one. The second is there. Okay, so actually there is a reason to have it sitting there for the duration of this bar, which is like 20 seconds or so. We'll see here what we have. We'll see what this becomes. Let's see. And I just wait and see if it becomes a pending above or just like a green market. I'm just gonna slam it right there. And we are filled on 4 here. So, and we continue going. Gap, and we close higher. We use this up. We close higher here. I'm gonna protect this. If we'll see. A lot more risk now on the table. So now we have 4 positions on. It's a bit stressful. Like they really, wow, they don't want to go, they want to down, they want to up. Sitting at the highs. Yeah, I know. But look at the 15. Yeah, and no gap going up. It's small, but my stop is also there, you know. So. And hour, no comments. Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. I can see it. And this, I can see that as well. Right. Really close on the MES. Wow. Yeah. We have used 4. Yeah. This closed higher, we use the gap, we use this gap, so we need to protect that, that's correct. Here we're protecting this because we have a gap. This is also correct, yes. Just going through it in my head correctly. Yes. We need a strong close above here so this can follow. That's what we would need, yes. About 10 seconds. Oh, it's precise today. Okay. Just looking at the seconds marker. Yeah. Look at the when it goes up. It kind of goes a bit faster. We should go above this. Let's see what the reaction becomes. And so there's no gap formed here, although it's solid. I think we should look if we go above here, what happens. Not as convincing as the open, but yeah, did try quite a few times. Ten seconds. Okay. So this is not yet a double top because there wasn't any gap formed there, which it could have been, right? This is sitting here with no gap, so this is like just moving around. Oh, that's close. This is worth 2, by the way, because there's an add-on. We did go below, so it should react higher if we are on the right side. And if not, well, then we are not. And we lost those 2, okay. Yeah, wow. Slammed it. Wow. What happened there? We can only lose 3. So if we lose this, then we lose. Then we need to stop. Wow. Go here. Some news or what? It's quite a big reaction. Let's check. I have the other screen as well. I think, yeah. Did we lose it? No, not yet. Okay. Sitting there. All right. So this switches to downside, and this as well. So I need to take this. Do I? I need to do that. This switched to the downside, as did this. So I needed to manually close it, and I waited for price to come above. So we lost 2, but we can lose 3 on one session. So we have 3 more trades, but we can only lose 1 more. Becomes a bit difficult now, but hey, let's see. Okay. Waiting for retrace into it. Okay. Took out the highs, down, retrace, and then go up. Sounds like a good idea. Yeah. Does sound like it, actually. What about this? Yeah. So this is just for the annotation. The real strong level is down here. Oh. Right. And let's see. And yeah. Okay. There's the gap. And gap is there. We touched it once. That's nothing. Let's see what we get here. Took out the low. Can we switch, take out this? Okay. Moving some things around. Okay. There's many bars in between, so if this is a sell stop, then I am doing it here. Waiting. Here again, engulfing, just wrong formation. This is not a sell stop. So first one, nothing. We'll see what this becomes. Many in between. Wow. They really, somebody is putting on putting it on. Yes, somebody is really putting it on today. Yeah, news about Hormuz, of course. Of course. No fill there, and we went below, and we went above, and one, that's the second one, and nothing. Okay. Still direction is down here, so we have one more attempt here, and this one direction is down. We need to swap this high, same colors. Okay, we need to touch this high to get selling something, because we already have 2 bars. Just gonna change the again. And here. There we are. Okay. And we wait. Now, notice we can see the exhaustions now here, but no here. We need it's touching this above if we're gonna do anything. And here we have one, we need a second one above or closing above, below before to find more. We will wait for that. Okay. I was just thinking to myself, oh, this is selling pattern, three of these, but no. It's something I've been thinking about actually here. 1, 2, 3. I don't like it. About 2 minutes until 10 o'clock. Usually we get some volume then. MES touching the high, nothing above, and MNQ, what's it doing? Okay. Switching to the long side again, huh? With power, yes, I can see. And here? Well, it's a lot of garbage, but switching looks like it's switching here. Looks like it as well. I did trail to here because intra. Maybe I should keep it here, who knows, but I don't enter on the switch. I did do that lot last year, and the data says it's not that strong, so we don't do it. We do enter on retrace though. It's strong from here. Right. You take this. see. This is an intra switching pattern, not useful on this 1 minute chart. And here we switch to the long side already. If we can get above there, oh, look at that, you see? I mean, those spikes are crazy, right? Yeah, those are crazy spikes. We are on long side here. You wanna stick here on the top? I wanna see. There's 40 seconds to go. I want to see what is going around in the background actually. Something's going around. There's some business deal going in the background that's not on the schedule. I think that's why the market is being so crazy right now. I mean, you saw this, boom, print an entire bar. It's crazy, man, really crazy. We wait. Can we get the pin bar out of this? No. Yes, no, no. What about here? No. Okay, we'll see. We wait and we will see. Just checking. Okay. So that's one, that's two. Wow, really going all over the place today. I was expecting market just to go up today, actually. We're switching, confirming to downside on M&Q. We are confirming it. Yeah. Okay. And MES is nothing. I'm gonna check something. Right. Let's see. Market's all over the place today, right? I mean, we have a gap here. We're supposed to get a reaction. 1, 2. And now all we have is sweep these lows to create something. Meanwhile here, this is biased to the short side. Wait for a retrace. I mean, if you ask me, we take this here, and then we go. But the background kinda so-called news is, yeah, playing a game today. Definitely, definitely, as you see. I think people want to go up. Once up, but yeah. No, that's nothing. The speed, when it jumps, you know, when I look at the bar, like the bars just really jump. It's yeah, it's a bit much. Yeah, this is a green one, so this is nothing. It's one entire gap from here to here. See what we get from this one. There's also a gap forming there, but MES is biased up. Actually, it's biased down now because I see it now. We came here, touching it there, and we closed lower, so it's biased down. We have this. Right. but we don't have a reason to go. Here we might have a reason to go short, but if we get the proper one, no, spinning top, 1, 2, here, this one here. All right, I don't think we tag this, but I mean putting it there regardless. So we have one waiting for this one. 20 seconds to go. I don't think so. It's all over the place today. Let's see. Might create a second one here. And this as well. So new one. 1, 2, and this, nothing different. Remove. Okay. So we have actually 1, 2, and nothing. We remove. Okay. The rule is we go to the gap 2 times, and that's how many times we try it. And if we don't do that, we eventually get filled because the pending order would get followed by the price formation. Really all over the place today. So 1, 2, 1, 2, yes, correct. All right. Wow, switch there. Somebody's battling this out. I mean, eventually somebody's got to get tired, right? What we have is we taken out the lows on MES. We did go up, we did go down, we couldn't really, I think, strong close above currently. Maybe. Yeah, we wait. All right. Okay. We still only have one more trade to put on, actually. So, I mean, if we get filled on 2, we're gonna have to, I don't know what we do. We keep both of them, I guess. But, yeah. It's a shame, like last week, I wasn't able to really trade Thursday, Friday. And those 2 days, so many good trades, really so many good trades. And I don't have any of those. That's what it is sometimes, you know. But it will even out over time. Still somewhat annoying. I am human after all. For now. It would be cool if I actually did have bubbles on this. And I should have, but the thing is, this platform on the computer doesn't work that good. So that's why I use the web, and that's why I don't have all the tools. So yeah, I know. Look at all the spikes on the M&Q. It didn't really go down, so it's eating up all the energy. So it doesn't want to go down from the gap. So we should take the high over there. Same on the MES, but I'm not about to enter any position on that. Sometimes it works. Then there's also like the today's balance, which is here, which we have here, and we did take out this level. Similar here, we have this balance here, so yeah, we're waiting. We're capping this session in 50 minutes regardless. But yeah. Early going down. The candle may switch soon to close above the previous one on the MQ. So we're gonna wait for this. Then we're gonna check the 15 minutes, what it looks like, as I said. Look. There we are. Okay, we're gonna check the 15. See, bam. Forming a top, didn't really take anything out, but really strong open up there, right? We already took that. But now, this is now the level, right? Yeah. And if we compare to MES, similar kind of thing, you know, we don't want to go down, but show me something, right? Show me. It's not really there, is it? And on the hour, I know for some people waiting for sweeping the hour, where is it? It's not there. The hour is here. It's right, the hour is there. So we wait. It's a little bit easier to see if you turn the delta off, but I want the delta. See, right? Also the volume bars. They don't appear to do much when I have this activated, but I'm not about to deactivate that anyway. Right, we wait. Okay. I've been also thinking about, like this week, same as last week, that we should trade with you should use like a time gated system instead of the actual trades. I mean, both ways are, I guess, good, but I've seen this week the 3 sessions that has been already, where the trades after my session would provide me even more profits, and it's not always like that, but it's been like that this week, at least 2 or 3 more trades, and I mean, it's like, feel like leaving money on the table, right? And you start to think, why are we doing it that way, you know? So yeah, gonna check the camera, what it looks like here. It's really dark. Well, it is dark. At least there's a big white screen. I guess that helps out. So we need to get above the level on MES and also on M&Q. And the level is here. We need to get above the level, or we need to sweep it. Now, we've had so many different colors here, so we need to a proper switch here if we're going to do anything short. But I personally think we're going to go through it. Here also similar story. I'm just going to draw it out to make it more easily visible, right? And we wait. I prefer the trade of 8, the bubbles, actually. But yeah, they don't exist here on this platform yet. So we have these small squares instead. Maybe we can make them bigger. Actually, I was thinking about that. Since we don't do much now, maybe we can make them bigger. Border width 1. That doesn't do that. Okay. That's not the one. Ratio, that doesn't do anything. Volume cluster, it's not enabled. Right. Do wonder what that does. Text format out. Nah. And this number makes the bars wide. And this is actually, I think, this is what makes the volume bars not work. But we have the delta anyway. Yeah. And volume, can we do delta? Yeah. Is it different? Maybe. Somewhat. Okay. Let's try it on this one. Waiting for price to do something. Somebody's the piano bars here, right? So let's see. It's already set to delta. Good. So we can change the volume and see what happens. Notice when I click the apply button, see what happens. It displays somewhat different, right? We have volume up top, colors, different colors. And if we go to delta, yeah, okay. All right. Good enough for me. Some buying there, finally. Okay. Okay. Can see in the background the nice weather is coming back. We had some crap weather all day today. So I'm sitting here in Sweden waiting for, you know, the afternoon to trade, but yeah. Expecting some nice weather for the afternoon though. And so currently we have 41 minutes left to go here. That's my rule for this session. We also only have one more trade that we could potentially lose. We could put on 3 more trades as winners as well. We will see what we do. I was thinking about time-based system. I mean, I could keep the same. I'm only allowed to lose a certain amount of trades, right? But if I trade for a set amount of time instead of keeping the winners. Yeah, I have to think about it. I have to think about it. I'm gonna have to have a discussion with Claude. Yeah. And my one viewer, which is me, or maybe 2. Hello, viewer. We are waiting for price to do something. Currently, bias to the downside, but so much piano here that I'm not touching it. Also here, bias to the downside because we close below this. Here we close below this, and this is the strong level. These are strong, these are strong. This is something we can take out on the downside, and here, I mean, this is what we could take out to the downside. And there is something here we could use. Should actually draw that. Let's see. Now we have that thing. Good. Waiting for price to do something. Or they're waiting for the agreement to go through, because I mean, I don't think that's showing up within 5 minutes. You never know. Okay. Right. Need to turn up the mic. We didn't do that. It's almost there. Now it's definitely there. Looking at this low here right now. Because this is not strong, it's only one down move. This is all piano. This is nothing. This is the strong level because we pushed here. This is what was strong. That is why this is strong now, because we went into the spikes. My rules. Okay, anyway. Same here kind of thing. Now we touch this. So now there's some merit to this high here. If we close below, then we can again try for the shorts, but there was a short here that was not didn't get filled, and that's that. Not bad, not bad. Look, taking it, taking it. More power. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I'm gonna wait for the bar to close, then adjust the lines a bit. Delta showing up there, interesting as well. Rejecting it. Yeah, I know. Okay. No. But this one we did take. And so is this strong now? Because yeah, this is now a double low, so it's now strong. This is the high of the double low. And that means we can move this to the side a bit. I always overlap them somewhat. Right, here we are. Right. Did we close lower? No. So there's no reason to enter on a retrace. here as well on MES. Kinda waiting. "35 minutes to go." They bought on the exhausted buyers. I don't do that. Not right now anyway, but I do see it. Yeah. Also this. Double greens here. And red. Boom. They definitely sold because of this. We have here as well. Green, green. Defeating it here. But again, I don't do that. You'll see people doing that on Instagram though. It does have a lower close than this though. So actually, lower close, yes. Retrace into it, yes. Yes. So final position actually, unless we trail it into profit. We're just gonna go, let's see what have we. Is this enough? No, it's not enough. Just gonna see. Okay, we're gonna have to go below this thing then. We'll see. Because we closed lower and we retraced into the gap, I entered with a market order here. It's green, it should be below here, and it was filled there. And whatever we see here, I can't use. But we'll see if we trail this into profit. Then we can add more, and if not, then not. Yeah, water, all the water almost already. Yeah. Yeah. Still, this is the interesting part, right? Yeah. It is. We need to take this low. We need to take these. Definitely. And MES needs to go for this one. If it's that way. Yeah. And if we close with a pin at this area, then it's a double low. Then we can trail above. Not yet. Not yet. Not there. More sellers though, I guess. I'm looking at the MES and this delta here. I mean, close below would be confirming like the sellers, right? We don't have really the same one on M and Q, but it's kinda there because there's some red there, but yeah, it's not highlighted. Now it becomes double low, and we can trail down. Right. This is then just the next level that is at least 1 for 1 that I marked out earlier. That's the target for this one. Yeah, maybe forming. We definitely did take this level out, and this, and also this. We took them all. Whatever this does, we took the levels regardless. Let's go and see here. Okay. If we close here, then we have a gap, and a swing. It's still the same place. Yes, that's right. Delta on MES. Oh, you don't want those lows. I understand, but still, we did close lower. Yeah, if we get a reason to add here, then I have to lock and then add. We'll see. But the same with this, right? If this closes below here, then I can lock this and add this, but we'll see. Red, red, red. Yeah, I see red. I see you. Because it did go in, engulf the entire thing. We need to close below this. I'm just looking at this here now. Is it below? Is it below? It is below. We have to lock this because we have that other one. Locking it to the gap. Now we need a target for this. There is none. I'm just gonna go with a measured move, eyeballing it. Yeah. See if we have anything lower that we can use. Ah, there's this actually. Is that enough? It's enough. Good. Just one. Just like that. Good. Let's use that. Using the swing low there. Oh, okay. Like this. Like this. Yeah. Are you gonna change now? Nah. Wow. Green. Exhausted. Wow, that's fast, but it's not finished yet. It's a bit glitchy. I see. There's a lot of exhaustion. I need to change the numbers. Let's do it now. So, yeah. Here could be a reason to add, but I can't. As per my current rules, anyway. This should react here. But it does not. Or does it? Well, it didn't close higher, but yeah. Yeah. This is now 5 trades though, I think. 4. This is 5. We've used all the trades, I think. I think so. Actually, we have used This is 4 trades. Yeah. If the red can close lower and can close lower here, then that's good. And this can close lower, then that's also good. If. Yeah, if. Right, not really convincing, but yeah, kinda hollow. We wait. MES looks like it wants to try for that low there. Yeah, I see a small gap on the MES as well. Yeah, and red. Yeah, expected. Yeah. You better close below that thing. Yeah. At least there's more color. There's a small gap there. It means that this is the swing. And we have this, and now we wait again. I'm just looking at MES. I want to see more deeper color. Also, M and Q. We did touch the low. I want to see a close below. Did go, MES did go down, yeah, I see. M and Q also did close below. I see that. That's my TP there, very close. No gap in the structures. I would like to trade further, but there's no gap, yeah. So, and here it's at the correct spot according to the rules, so we wait. I need to close below here. Red, okay. We have taken 4 trades, by the way. That's really close. That's my M&Q hitting TP. And now we have this, right? So we have 4 trades done. We have this risk on. Not a lot compared to what we had before. But I can't put more trades on. And I could close this for the day, like that. That would be me chickening out. It's not good. So we wait, because principle. Red. Close below. Thicker. It did. Okay. So we could take this out, take this out as well, right? So there's kind of a small gap there. We'll see what it becomes soon. Oof, no gap. Wow. Wow, wow. We wait. About 17 minutes to go. And I can only trail because my rules. If we close lower here, I'm expecting it to kind of move. Because we got some red delta down there. I mean, it's... yeah. Also there's like this kind of small thing, and look at this here. Right? Yeah, I know. If they want to take the low, well then we want to take the low, huh? Yeah. We wait. A lot of water today, huh? Going for a workout after this, actually. Yeah, I know. Surprise, huh? Looks like green and harami. Well, we need to close below. That's not really convincing, but yeah, a lot of red delta there. They would need to close lower than this for me to be convinced that we go lower. But I mean, we still wait. It's a good start. That's a double low, but there's no gap, so it's not a double low. It's a lot of no, like some, no, it just doesn't want to go there, right? Yeah. I really want to push that stop there for some reason. I'm putting it there. I'm not convinced about this. Is it breaking my rules? Maybe. Yeah. So we had the old rules where if price went down and didn't create a gap, I would trail it, right? And I changed that for the double low with, now look, we put the double low with the gap in between, and if there's no gap, so that is what, it's easier to find, it's easy to see. This is very aggressive, by the way, but also, yeah. Look at the amount of red delta down there, and price goes up, price goes down, piano time again, and it might be over like that, or it might go to TP. Looks like I mean, looks green for me regardless, but yeah, that's me out. Well, smallest amount of winner today, 4 trades, I guess. But despite the day starting off crazy, we are up. Yeah. And now, of course, when I don't have a position on, price will go to my TP. Of course it will. Yeah, that's enough for me today, actually. I'm really feeling it. I'm gonna go do a workout now. Yeah. And also, it means that tomorrow it's going to be highly likely, 99%. It's not possible for me to trade tomorrow. And that means we show up on Monday. It's one of those weeks. It's like that. Yeah. And this action, by the way, if you look in a faster chart, you will see the switching pattern. But we don't use that on this chart. Yeah. And this was strong. This was strong. Yeah. That's it. All right, I think that's all I got. Check the comments. I have the link for Blue Guardian Futures. I think it's at 25% currently. And there's a link to my website. Go check it out. Tell me what you think. Right? Why not? And I'm just gonna double check this. Canceled everything. I'm out, and I will see you most likely Monday. Have a good one. Yeah. Wow.